Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry physical step by step. Focus on core concepts like thermodynamics, kinetics, and quantum models before solving problems. Build a study schedule with 45-minute focused blocks and 15-minute breaks to reinforce retention. Mix reading, problem sets, and visualizations to link math and concepts. Use practice exams under timed conditions and review errors immediately to prevent repeating mistakes often. Choose representative problems and study their solutions slowly to learn patterns and typical mistakes. Rework each problem from memory, then vary parameters to test understanding. Create a weekly rotation of topics so you revisit thermodynamics, kinetics, and quantum problems regularly. Record common errors in a short notebook and convert them to targeted drills. This focused practice builds intuition and reduces exam anxiety through repetition and reflection. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more study guides you actually use. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs nicely with study budgeting and goal setting, even if the topic seems different. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Strengthen the math that underlies physical chemistry, like derivatives, integrals, and eigenvalue problems, in short review sessions. Convert formulas into sketches and plots so equations become visual stories about energy and particles. Use simple simulations or graphing tools to explore parameter changes and see trends. Study with peers to explain visual models aloud. Teaching strengthens mental images and helps embed concepts into long-term memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.